Hi, Mike, and today I'm going to replace this photocell with this one. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. So I replaced this photocell about 4 years ago, and it's not that it's bad, but it's in such a hidden, shaded area that the sun doesn't hit it, and consequently my lights stay on almost all the time. So I'm going to replace it with a 90-degree photocell and make it so that the lights turn on and off when they're supposed to. All right, so I got the cover off of this. I've got the power unplugged. It goes to just a GFI outlet. All right, so with the cover off, we can access the wiring. This is a pretty simple swap. You can see the reds are together, the blacks are together, and the whites are together. And this is the switch. This photocell is essentially just a switch that turns things on and off. There's a little retaining ring on it that holds it into the box. This new one is a little different. So this ring just twists off of the side, and this one comes out. But it's pretty cramped in there. So there's that one. Okay, the new one, a little bit different. It's going to go up like so, face the sky. Hopefully when sun comes out, lights turn off, because that's what's not happening now. And you can see it's just a straight swap, black to black, white to white, red to red. And this does mount a little bit differently. This has a key inside the box, which is a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna have to put this in first and then wire it up. Well, just to give me a little more space working in this thing, I'm gonna take the old switch out, take these off. All right, I've got the old switch out of there and the wires off, and now I just need to thread the new one through here. Easier said than done. And that's going to fit there like so, and then I need to put this nut on to hold the whole thing in place. Okay, and then the way this nut has teeth, it allows you to get a screwdriver just to cinch it up and tighten it up a little bit. So that's on there pretty well. Maybe one last little push. Okay. Next, I'm just going to connect the colors together. Black to black, red to red, white to white. Okay, so I've got all the wires reconnected, got the switch installed. So put this plate back on, tighten it up, turn on the power, and then I'm gonna trick the sensor into thinking it's dark. All right, so I got some duct tape on. I'm just gonna put some more painter's tape on this thing, make it think that it's dark, and it should take 30 seconds to 2 minutes for it to turn on. Okay, and there's the light on, obviously fooled. Well, we're gonna button this up, and that should be the end of it. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.